Oh my god. Okay, so you can see Sita's looking outside at something. There is a Rosella. I believe it's a Rosella. Oh my god, it's the cutest thing I've ever seen. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. And there's another one. There's another one. You're beautiful. Hello? Hello? Like they're pretty. They're so pretty. I don't really want them hanging around here because who knows what kind of diseases they may have, or parasites, or gosh knows what else, but gosh, that's beautiful. Do you like them, Bubby? You don't like any of the other birds here? Oh no! This is awesome. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, they want to come and play? He's gonna bang into the window. Oh dear, look at you. Woo! Okay. You want to come inside. You do? Oh my goodness. They might see all the food everywhere, all the seeds and whatnot. Oh my god. It's amazing. I mean, what if they are someone's pets and they've escaped together and they're trying to find a new way home? They recognize cages. Who knows? Who knows? Bubby, you like them? They actually look a little smaller than you guys. Oh my gosh. And everyone else is watching? Ryder's watching. Sky's watching. Do you want to say hi to the new birdies? I'd love to leave them some food and water, but then I don't want them to rely on me for food, and I don't want them to, like I said, spread diseases. Oh gosh, I really want to... I'm going to create a nest in that little pocket. I really want to go outside and see. I mean, if they come straight to me, then they're obviously someone's pets or tame birds. Let's go see. Oh my goodness. Let's go see. Oh, I want to feed them. I mean, I've got so much bird food, right? You excited? Let's go see. They'll probably run away straight away. Oh my gosh. Hello. They make some amazing noises. How close can I get? Oh, not too close. Okay, I'll back off.